Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're seeing signs of a converge and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're currently at oversold conditions with the RSI. If we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're nearing oversold with the RSI. We are currently below the 200-day moving average, this green line, and as for the trade idea of the week, my long entry will be at $47.69, and that is this range here, and that coincides with resistance and pass that dated back to June 24th, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support. The sell target will be $50.97 and my stop loss will be at $46.33. On the other hand, if I were to open a short entry, my entry will be at $51.43 and that is this range here, and that coincides with support back in October 29th, and since we're below support, that now acts as our resistance. The sell target is at $49.09 and my stop loss is at $51.92. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 3.8% and a 50% chance to climb between 3.8% to 7.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.